gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love.
Alright guys, we got the World Cup kits. This is the last key piece to get your whole package to play World Cup in PES 21. And G. Leroy has posted this on PES modding. And I'll have the links, will be in the description box to this webpage. They do have a video here, basically showing all the kits in the pack. We're gonna go through and show you how to download and fix your software so you can accept it. So here are the groupings as well, and hopefully you already fix all the groupings and have it all set up and have the stadiums like in my previous video. And now we're gonna work on the kits. So how to install. Now we're gonna go 2 steps here because you need to have the CIDR. Hopefully you do have that, right? And by the way, this is only PC, cannot be done on the console because of the software. The kit server modules need to be added first. Let's do that first. We're gonna be then extracting the material, putting it in a kit server once we put the kit server in. And of course, we're gonna put the mapping in the kit server map. All these lines that are down here, but I'm gonna take you step by step, as always, narrating the steps, which I think is a lot of people say that that's very useful. Okay, so I hit that kit server and there is a different page. I know this is older PES 2020, but it works just perfectly. And what we're gonna do is to click here, download the kit server, and of course we need to extract it. So once I extract this folder that I downloaded from that page, let me show you how it looks. You're gonna have a folder that has a content and modules folders inside. These 2 guys, we need to copy them. These 2 guys, see, this is what's inside the little folders, is the kit server and then a Lua. Sorry, just going a bit fast here. So you're gonna get these 2 guys and we're gonna right click here and I'm gonna copy them into the CIDR that I already have. So I'm gonna go here, find my location. I got Steam library, Steam apps, common, PES 21. Inside the CIDR, there is the content and modules folders. You just find anywhere here and paste them. It will not delete anything that you have. It will just add the new content for those 2 folders. Okay, so if I open here, I added the kit server on top of the other servers. And if I check the modules, then I now have an instruction here for the kit server. Okay, so we are all set with this part. There is one more thing that we need to do for that kit server to be active, and that is to go into the CIDR configuration file or configuration settings. And inside that, like I said, we're gonna put this instruction, the Lua kit server Lua. So let's go back there. Inside the CIDR configuration file, and you see that on the Lua settings, I already added the Lua module. This is what you want, this string, somewhere in here between the Luas. Remember always to save the file. Now that we are done with the kit server modules, we can download the content. You're gonna click here and just follow the sequence as usual for downloading material and extracting it. So once you are done with downloading the kits and extracting the kits, we should be able to put them inside the right folder in the kit server. So let me go here, and inside the kit server, I created a folder named national. You need to you need to manually create a folder and name it national. Inside there, you put all the content like I did here. These are all the extracted files that I downloaded. I just skipped that step of extracting and all that, but you know what to do. Okay, so now the last step will be to map it. And here is the trick. You're gonna have to go back to this page, highlight it with your mouse, and remember that here, what you do is to hold Control, the Control key, plus C to be able to copy this text. All right. Once you do that, you go into the kit map and you paste it in here. And as you see, it's gonna look like this. And you see that it has the national in front of every team because the national is the folder, the top folder, and then it has the national teams inside. Remember to save. I mean, sometimes I've done this and I didn't save it. So let's test the kits, and I'm gonna show you how to apply the kit server and how to do it. Okay, so you can do it from any window. So the game itself only has two options if I'm just using the interface from the game. So I need to open the CIDR interface in order to apply the CIDR options. So I'm gonna hit the space bar and open the CIDR interface at the top. You see it in green. If you need to scroll to find the CIDR, or the particular server, just hit the number 1 and you scroll through different servers that you might have, like the ball, the stadium, etc. The camera I got there, and then the kit server. So I got the kit server, and what do? You see that there is a number 6 and number 7 to switch kits. The 6 will be for the team on the left, and the 7 will be for the away team on the right. So let's do that and show you that you can actually switch the kits properly. And that will say that, it's actually working the way we installed it. So I'm going to start hitting number 6 first and switch the Brazilian kits. And here you go. And it's working. You see that I give you more than 2 options now. You got the pants white with the yellow shirt. So I think you just have the, it's got 4 options because it switches the pant colors as well. That's pretty cool. And same for England. It's got the white jersey. Oh, and the pants switch too. So it's able to switch like 4 different options. That's pretty cool. Now, if you want to look at the goalkeeper, you hit number 9. And it will switch. Instead of the field players, it will switch to the goalkeeper. And there you have it. And then you go back to 6 and 7 to switch among the options. So I know Dani Alves is not a goalkeeper, but just a model at this point. So let me hit 6, and you see they got just 2 options for the goalkeeper. And I think for England, they got green and yellow. I guess it's just those 2. Okay. And if I hit 9 again, I will switch back to the field strips. And there you got it. And so this is working fine. I did find that some esoteric teams like Cameroon, it wasn't working for me. So if you find that, don't panic. It didn't work for me either, 1 or 2. I just created my own kit and loaded it manually through the console style edit. And here is we're gonna just show you just the kits, how they look live. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this is all helpful. Now you have stadiums, kits. I show you how to update the rosters and the groupings. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my World Cup tournament. I'm gonna be running that mini series along the way, starting hopefully, if not tonight, tomorrow. I'm using Brazil, which won in the community poll. You guys voted to use Brazil as the team that I was gonna play with. So guys, let me know. Hopefully this is helpful again. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.